Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to merge layers in AutoCAD. Layers are one of the most important organizational tools in AutoCAD. They allow you to separate different types of objects, control visibility, assign colors and line types, and keep drawings organized. However, as a project grows, it is common to end up with multiple layers that contain similar objects, or layers that are no longer needed. Instead of manually moving objects between layers one by one, AutoCAD provides the LayMRG command, which allows you to combine layers efficiently. This command transfers objects from one layer to another and removes the unnecessary layer afterward. When you first open AutoCAD and load your drawing, you may notice that the drawing contains several different layers. These layers might have been created by multiple users, imported from another drawing, or generated automatically during the design process. Over time, having too many layers can make a drawing difficult to manage. Merging layers helps simplify the drawing structure by consolidating objects onto a single layer. To begin the merge process, go to the command line and type LayMRG, then press Enter. The LayMRG command starts a process that allows you to move objects from one or more layers into another layer. Once the command is activated, AutoCAD prompts you to select the objects or layers that you want to merge. Select the objects associated with the layers you no longer need. After making the selection, press Enter to confirm. At this stage, AutoCAD asks you to specify the destination layer, the layer that will receive the objects being merged. One way to do this is by typing N and pressing Enter. The N option allows you to select a destination layer by name rather than selecting an object on screen. After choosing this option, AutoCAD displays a list of available layers in the drawing. From the list, select the layer that you want all the objects to be merged into. Once you have selected the desired layer, click OK. AutoCAD then transfers the selected objects to the chosen destination layer. Any layers that were merged into the destination layer are removed if they are no longer needed, leaving the drawing with fewer layers and a cleaner organizational structure. After the operation is complete, the affected objects now belong to a single layer and inherit that layer's properties, such as color, line type, line weight, transparency, plot settings, visibility controls. This means the objects can now be managed together, instead of being spread across multiple separate layers. One important thing to understand is that merging layers does not combine the objects themselves. The geometry remains unchanged. What changes is the organizational layer assignment associated with those objects. The LayMRG command is particularly useful when cleaning up imported drawings, standardizing company CAD files, simplifying layer structures, preparing files for collaboration, and reducing unnecessary layer clutter. Professional CAD users frequently use LayMRG when organizing large drawings because it provides a fast way to eliminate redundant layers while preserving all existing geometry. To summarize, merging layers in AutoCAD begins by opening the drawing and typing LayMRG into the command line. After pressing Enter, select the objects associated with the layers you want to merge and press Enter again. To specify the destination layer, type N and press Enter. AutoCAD displays a list of available layers, allowing you to choose the layer that will receive the merged objects. After selecting the desired layer and clicking OK, AutoCAD moves the selected objects onto that layer and removes the unnecessary layers, resulting in a cleaner and more organized drawing. And that's how to merge layers in AutoCAD. Using the LayMRG command is one of the fastest ways to simplify complex drawings and maintain a well-organized layer structure. By consolidating relevant objects onto a single layer, you can improve drawing management, reduce clutter, and make future editing much easier. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.